Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga, and in this video, I am going to talk you class 8 Computer Science, and this is the first chapter, Computer Networking, and this is the 7th day of this class. In this video, I am going to talk you very interesting topics. That is the topology, and topology is that is the structure, and it is the framework. You can also say as it is the architect of computer networking. Whenever we are joining so many computers among themselves, so how actually we are designing? This is the topology. Generally, three types of topology having. One is the star topology, ring topology, and the bus topology. So I will cover one by one. So let's see the first, that is the star topology. See, here having one of the central systems at the middle, having the central system, and that system is called as switch, and all systems are connected through this central systems, and it is controlled by this system, so that is the switch. So it is look like this star. That's why we are saying as star topology. Some of the advantage of this topology is having. So one is the cost. Okay, let's see the advantage of star topology. The first advantage is cost effective. That is very less cost is having here. So whenever we are doing such type of networking. And second one, see, whenever this system is not working, then it won't affect the others. It is working, a rest system is working. So this is the also advantage of this type of networking. Again, one of the disadvantages having that if central system, that is the switch, is not working and it is going to fail, then it affects the entire network. So this is the disadvantage of this topology, and I am going to talk you the ring topology. So let's see. Second type of topology, that is the ring topology. And in this ring topology, each and every node is connected to one another, and it is making a closed loop. It is making a closed loop, so that it is forming a ring. That's why we are saying as a ring topology. In this topology, the message is going to send either sides, either left side or right sides. The data is transferring, and in this way, information is travel from one place to another place. So this is the ring topology, and we have two advantages here. One is more reliable, and second one is we can easily design it. And see the disadvantage is here. Disadvantage, it requires more complicated control softwares. And again, the second one is if one of the node is not working, then entire network is going to damage. So this is the disadvantage of the ring topology. And in this video, I have talked to you about the star topology and ring topology. And in the next video, I will talk to you about more details, the bus topology. Okay, thank you.